We've had our birthday, but it's now time to drink champagne, darling. Because we have got this amazing champagne bottle box collection here, yeah? They really are so pretty. You've got all your dies in your collection to be able to make these. You've got your bases, your tops, your sides, your labelling system here. So you can even put your vintage labels on there. Vintage when they were born, vintage for the christening, maybe.
Beautiful.
Yeah, you've got all those different dies in there.
Lovely idea.
So let's have a look. Let's have a good gander at what they are, because you've got a belly band. You can slide the belly band down. You've got the bottle that comes open here. Now in the top there, you see how that one's solid there. What our lovely cat has done. Here we go. Inside that one, you can see she's actually cut out the top of there as well. It's purely to keep me going when I'm working.
I'll send that up to you.
Just saying. Okay. So,
yeah, it'll just be water in it when it's up there, though, won't it, Kaz?
No, I don't know very much.
So you have got that beautiful bottle inside there as well. But let's face it, it doesn't have to be a bottle of wine, does it?
No.
You know, these could be done. Maybe you've got a favourite. I mean, I like a certain balsamic vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You could do that into that shape.
Definitely, absolutely you could. And of course, it's a gift box in its own right.
It is, absolutely.
So, you've got your sweeties, your champagne truffles.
Yeah.
We love a champagne truffle.
Yeah, so you've got the base and the top. But I'm thinking the way that these construction, we could make them into party games as Skittles. 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, build
10 of them.
Yeah.
Love it.
Bowling alley in the garden, no problem. But I'm just looking at the construct. So the top section is a separate bit.
Yes.
That you stick on.
This joined just under this label here. Should we have a look if anybody... Oh, we've got a loose label.
Have we?
Here we go. Let's have a look how they're put together then. So have a little look at this one, because we've cut in with this one.
Yeah.
So you can see, there's your label.
Can you see how that's stuck onto the top of there to give it the bottleneck?
Mm-hmm.
You could just have that. If I just put my hand on, you could just have that section.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to have...
Yeah, it doesn't have to be
the
a bottle.
bottleneck on there. You could just have that section there. I mean, nice little gift box in it. Oh, right, big little... What do you call them?
Bow.
Yeah. It's been a long week. You'll have to excuse me. Yeah. You know those bows that you buy from the card shop that are all...
Oh, those ones. Yes, I've got you.
My words have gone completely. Yeah. But you could just stick one of those on the top. Yes.
I've got you. I know.
I'm glad you have, because
the gift bow. I know the gift bow.
Yeah.
I know what you mean, the gift bow.
So you could have it just like that as well. But you've got the little lid on there as well. I love the lid, how the lid comes out. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous.
Very nice.
And I love how people have, you know, they're all completely different. I mean, look how that neck has been cut out of some paper. So
I'm moving my bottles around here.
So the actual design of the paper looks like it's the neck.
It's fab, isn't it?
Of that bottle, really nice. And the other thing is, you know, okay.
Let's have a look at our designs as well.
Feminine.
Yeah.
Masculine.
Yeah.
Unisex.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? 21st birthday, 18th. Same as that one. That could be 21st, 18th for a boy. That could be an anniversary and a wedding gift.
Golden anniversary. Yeah.
You could be bringing your decoupage in for Grandad who's mad on his garden, and you could have loads of seeds inside it. Yeah.
But you can cut them in because all the panels are verso. So you've got one set of verso and you've got one set that glues directly on. It's got its cut edge on.
I like the bubble design.
That's the one that's got the cut edge on. So that will... It's a single cut then, isn't it? So if you're in a bit of a rush and you still need to make one, you pick the pattern with the cut edge on it.
Right, you've got to bear with me now. Okay. So come on, crafters, come into the fold. Okay. I want you to imagine that in navy blue, red sides on.
Right.
Okay? I want you to go and get 3 or 4 bottle tops. 1, 2, 3. It's a spaceship.
Oh!
you see what I'm saying?
But we do that with all of our die sets, don't we?
There are so many different ways
There's so many
of
uses
playing
for them.
with this. I mean, for a child, just literally, the tops off like the toothpaste or something like that.
To look like the burners.
Yeah, 3 of the little burners on the bottom there, the coloured panels on the side, a couple of windows so the astronauts can look out.
Well, definitely.
Or the aliens, yeah. You could
Our
have
little monsters. What about our little monsters from our stamp club?
Absolutely. You could have the little streamers coming over the top, then the monsters could be climbing up the spaceship.
Fabulous.
It doesn't have to be a champagne bottle.
It doesn't. It really doesn't. It's just so good. So versatile.
They're absolutely beautiful. Because let's face it, when you're buying presents, you really don't know what that particular person's into. No. So a bottle covers every celebration.
It does.
Doesn't it?
It does. And if you don't want to buy them a bottle, you can turn up with something that looks like a bottle, but you're buying them chocolates.
Absolutely.
Or you're filling it with something else.
Favourite bottle of shampoo?
Yes. I'd love that. I'd absolutely love that.
Hand cream.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Loads of different ways of playing with them.
Thank you for joining us today. You can get this product now on our website. The TCK code is already applied to your account now. So whenever you make a purchase, make sure you're logged in to your account and your TCK code is automatically applied. Our lovely Cameron have said, yes. He's used magic and mirrors and magnets and all sorts, and he's got that to work for you. So you get your 10% off if you're a Craft Kit subscriber. You can pay in instalments with ClearPay, ShopPay, or PayPal, and don't forget, you have to tag us in your makes because we absolutely love to see what you're making. And don't forget, if you like this video, give us a little like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
Ding!
Thank you. You never want to miss one of our videos. It's always a little bit crazy, so you never know what's going to happen. You really don't. But from all of us here at Tonic Studios,
au revoir! Bring me the bubbles.